Welcome back to Teach a Man to Fish channel. Today's video is going to be dinner sausage on the Lodge Sportsman Grill. This is a real easy cook, quick, simple, not a difficult dinner kind of thing you can make when you arrive home from work. Let's go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoy the video. Here's the ingredients, what you'll need for this cook. Dinner sausage, I'm using hot Italian, one of my favorites. Onions, we're gonna make some fries, butter, salt and pepper, or whatever else you like to put on your onions. I like to put a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning on my onions, and a little bit of garlic. Let's go ahead and put these ingredients together. We've got all the ingredients set up. Let's go ahead and head on over to the grill. I can tell you this is an excellent way to go ahead and get your coals going, is on your side burner. No mess, no chemicals, no lighter fluid taste or smell. I'll go ahead and put in a link down below, a chimney that I recommend that you can use to get your coals going. In this video, you're also going to see me using one of my thrift store finds. This is I figure this is probably somewhere around 1930 Lodge 3-notch. That's the 3 notches in the heat ring across the bottom here, number 5. One of my favorite finds. It's an awesome cooker, smooth as glass on the inside. They don't make them like this anymore, and I found it as an ugly mess in the thrift store, all cleaned up in an E-tank. I think that's in another video if you want to check that one out. Let's go ahead and get those coals dumped in. We'll go ahead and let that grill heat up and settle down. Let that cast iron do its work. Let that pan go ahead and start heating up. So with this Lodge Sportsman's Grill, you've got another layer of control of the temperature through the use of this damper door. You can either have it all the way open, or you can open it a partial way on either side, and the air will go in and it will actually burn hotter on one side of the grill than the other. And because I'm going to be doing some fatty sausage on this side, I'm actually going to want to have this side of the grill run a little bit hotter than the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this side, and that portion of the grill will run hotter with more air than this side. Let's go ahead and load up those onions. Now we'll just keep rotating this around. Not that there's many hot spots in this grill, but it's just a good practice. We're also watching for flare-ups. Not a whole lot of coal in this, but if it does get away from you, just like most other grills, all the fat and grease in this sausage, if it gets away from you, it's gone. Just about done. This does not take long. Look at that. Oh. I actually don't want to lose all that. I'm not going to cook these until they're bone dry. But that's just an even cook. Nice marks. One of my favorite ways to use this Lodge Sportsman Grill. Go ahead and pull that off the grill before it gets dried out. Yes. That'll go great right on top of that sausage. One of my favorite summertime meals, cooked on the Lodge Sportsman's Grill. So if you look right here, there's a video that YouTube says is just perfect for you. And if you look right here, that's my latest upload. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click like, subscribe, share, and come on back for more.